hours of your life have you wasted rewinding a video just to catch one sentence that you have already heard? I counted mine last month and almost threw my laptop through the window. I had a 2-hour interview in Spanish that I needed to pull quotes from a script, and I was literally typing it out by hand at 2 a.m. like it was 2015. That night, I started hunting for a fix, a much needed one, and I landed on Clipto.AI. Now, I have been using it every day almost since, and this is definitely not a polished product tour. This is me telling you what actually changed in my workflow. Now, first thing that hooked me, no install. I was already tired. The last thing that I wanted was another desktop app chewing up my drive. I opened Clipto.com in the browser, dragged the Spanish interview file in, and before I finished making coffee, it was done. Clean transcript, every speaker tagged, translated into English in one click. The thing that I was planning to grind through until sunrise was sitting right in front of me in under 10 minutes. The feature that I genuinely cannot live without now is the URL trick. Now, I watch a lot of long YouTube content for research, hour-long breakdowns, podcast interviews, conference talks, and so on. I used to sit there with a notepad pausing every 30 seconds. Now, I copy the YouTube link, paste it into Clipto, and in a couple of seconds, the whole thing is text with speakers labeled. I search for the exact keyword that I care about, jump to that second, done. What used to eat an entire evening now takes me 15 minutes, and honestly, that one habit change is the reason that I'm telling you about this app at all. The second feature that I lean on is the AI chat with your content. Now, after this transcript is ready, I just ask it questions like I'm texting a friend who actually read the whole thing. What were the main arguments? Who said what about pricing? Give me the action items. 30 seconds later, I have a summary I can paste straight into a project doc or an email. Before Clipto, I was writing those summaries myself. Now, I edit them. I do not write them. And yes, I tried the others before settling here. I bounced between Otter, Fireflies, Rev, Sonics, HappyScribe, Noda, Temi, TurboScribe, TextPlay, Veed, GoTranscript. Some were decent at English meetings and fell apart on anything else. Some made me pay per minute before I even knew if I liked the output. A few did not translation at all or locked it behind a higher fee. Now, what pulled me to Clipto is that translation into basically any language that I have thrown at it, speaker detection, summaries, and AI chat all live in the same screen with up to 99% accuracy. I stopped bouncing between 5 tabs. That is the honest difference for me. For my own content, I use the subtitle export. I drop the raw video in, pull SRT or VTT, and it goes straight into Premiere. Used to pay for a separate captioning tool for that, and not anymore. And when I am in a Zoom or Google Meet, I run the Chrome extension. Hit record once at the start of the call, forget about it, focus on the actual conversation instead of scribbling notes I cannot read later. After the call, transcript and summary are waiting for me. Is it flawless? No. If the audio is super noisy or if someone mumbles a weirdly specific technical term, I still give the transcript a quick eye pass. But compared to where I was a few months ago, typing everything by hand at midnight, it's not even in the same universe. Honestly, the biggest shift here is not a feature. It's that I stopped dreading long recordings. Interviews, client calls, research videos, they used to feel like work I hadn't done yet. Now, I just drop them into Clipto and keep moving. So the 2 things that I would actually remember if I were you, the URL transcription for pulling anything off YouTube in seconds, and the AI chat for getting answers out of a recording without watching it again. Everything else is a bonus. If you want to try it, Clipto.com, link is going to be in the description down below. Throw your worst recording at it, the long one in a weird language, the meeting you never want to rewatch, and see what happens. If this helped, hit subscribe down below, turn on notifications, and drop a comment telling me what you would use Clipto for. I read every single one, and if you want to make content yourself, for Clipto Partners program is in the description down below, so definitely come on, join the project, and having said that, that'll be all for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.